Under the sky and under the trees, my friend and I often play in the breeze. White kite, up in sky. What can you see? They're flying so high. I can see houses and lots of trees. I can see rivers and nice blue seas. I can read, I can write, I can speak English too. I love learning English, and what about you? I know all the letters well, I can read them and spell.
Breakfast in the morning, dinner in the day, tea is in the afternoon, there is time to play. Supper in the evening, when the sky is red. Now the day is over and it's time to go to bed.
The little tortoise, he lives in a box. He swims in the pond, the clams and the rocks. He catches the mosquito, he catches the flea, he catches the spider, but he cannot catch me.
Пропускаем. Так, Максим.
When I get up in the morning, I'll tell you what I do. I wash my hands and I wash my face. Splishity splash, splishity splash. I clean my teeth till they're shining white. Scrubbity scrub, scrubbity scrub. Then I put on my clothes and brush my hair, and run, I run downstairs.
Be very, very careful when you cross the street. Use your eyes and use the ears, then use the feet. Look to the left, look to the right, then look up and check the light. When all cars have stopped, it's time for you to go. Walk between the lines, that's the safest way I know.